live in downtown San Jose, inside SAP Center. And we're glad you're along for Sharks hockey tonight as they return from a 2-2 road trip in Washington 3 nights ago. There's a shot, got through Jones, but he stopped enough of it to keep it out. Take a hit to make a play, and that was it in evidence there. Here's a centering pass to Hanifin, and they score. Sebastian Aho, and it's 1-0.
Well, you're right. He took a hit. Marc-Edouard Vlasic behind the net. I really liked the play that he made, actually, to take that hit to make the play to Vlasic. But they finally work it out to the point, and they get a shot with Noah Hanifin where he fanned on it. And as Aho was coming out from behind the net, as that shot right there from the middle of the slot goes right to Sebastian Aho at the doorstep and just taps it in. But before that, there was a good reverse, and obviously Ryan comes in there to pick that puck up to find Hanifin right in the slot. And that was a good opportunity again.
There's a giveaway to Norrstrom, and Jones with the save, and put them and keep them all together and try and create a championship environment. Here's a chance off the faceoff, and they score! And it's 2-0 as they get a second quick goal. Victor Rask puts it by Jones.
Well, Carolina getting the start that they wanted, and here's the faceoff, and they actually win this draw. Braun over to Vlasic, and Vlasic trying to go up the wall, hits the back of the leg of Justin Braun and kicks right to the slot. Now everybody's chasing that breakdown right there, and it leaves Rask on the back door. You're going to see Rask right here nearest to your screen. This puck is going to come right to him as he finds that through that traffic.
And now Ward trying to work it up for Sorensen, and he's got it a 2-on-1. Sorensen shoots, saved by Cam Ward. He puts it back in front, nobody there. And Riemsdyk, now a chance, they score! Aho, his second of the period. It's 3-0 Carolina.
Well, they're finding room in the slot here, and Aho exposes it again. And there's Ryan creating that action there, and then the pass out front where Aho finds a high slot play. And that's where Ryan chips that puck loose, and it was a quick pass, and then a nice shot there as he goes top corner on Martin Jones.
Hansen trying to dig it out and bump it back to DeMello, and he does. DeMello up top, Tierney back for Burns, a shot, big fat rebound, comes back to Tierney, he puts it in front, and Hansen can't convert. Jones sweeps it aside, and no goaltending change by Pete DeBoer. Here's Stahl, his hard wrister stopped by Jones. Gets it out to Klaus Dahlbeck. Dahlbeck to Aho. Sebastian Aho, and he draws a penalty, even though Jones stopped him.
On that outside, kicks it from his skate to his stick, gets on the inside. There's the slash from Justin Braun.
Now DeMello jumps in, away from Van Riemsdyk to Sorensen. Ward in front, and Ward denied by Ward. And now back out to center. And here's a break. Aho for the hat trick, and he shot it wide. Tierney now, he's got a 2-on-1 with Carlson. Tierney. The pass, they score! Melker Karlsson, a shorthanded goal.
Well, finally the Sharks get some momentum. Good takedown right there by Burns. Tierney picks this puck up, gets his head up, and now it's a 2-on-1. Clear cut. As you see, Melker Karlsson opens up for the one-timer, and Hanifin does a good job of just staying in the middle there, and Tierney waits him out, finds Melker Karlsson. You can see the puck fly right over through that gap.
Sharks looking to come out of their end a little more cleanly this time, but it doesn't happen. Stahl walks in, saved by Jones, rebound at the side, and Williams couldn't convert. Another chance, and then another, and now Williams still on it again. Justin Williams walks in, tries to dangle, puts it in front, and Burns down blocks it, but the puck goes in. Carolina scores. All because the Sharks couldn't clear their zone.
There's not much Martin Jones can do about what's going on here. You got the puck on Brent Burns' stick earlier before this all happens, and it was a line change that Jeff Skinner came off the bench, took the puck, and then chaos ensues, and they're trying to find the puck. The San Jose Sharks, it keeps getting knocked away from, and Williams right here has all the time Williams has with the puck. Takes it on his back end, almost tucked it in behind, and Burns trying to stop that puck with his body, pops back to Skinner, and he finally just knocks it in.
On the wing, LeBanc, a shot, and that hit Hurdle. DeMello again. Thornton again. Shoots, score!
Dylan DeMello's going to get this puck and throw it against the grain. Back to Thornton. Thornton just walks that puck in. And look at Tomas Hurdle, guy who creates the power play because he cuts to the front of net, puts himself right in the eyes of Cam Ward. Cam Ward has no chance on that shot.
Here's Burns. Trouble with the puck. Down to Thornton. Shoots! And it's just wide. Pavelski may have gotten a piece of it. Back to Burns. He'll fake. Couture shot. Scores! Logan Couture. What a blast!
And just a nice movement here by the Sharks. Pavelski, Thornton back to Burns, fakes that shot, pulls everybody in, and then one time, you're right, what a top corner. Cam Ward can't do anything about that shot. Perfectly placed by 39 Couture, and that's a big power play goal to cut this lead in half.
Fault for Stahl. Williams, and back to Jannik Hansen. A pass to Goodrow, score!
Beautiful second shorthanded goal. Here's the turnover. Nice play by Joakim Ryan. Hansen picks it up, takes one look. Holm slows it down, then just throws it into an area where Barclay Goodrow picks it up on the other side. The Carolina Hurricanes dead tired. Justin Falk can't get back. Here's Williams trying to get back for him, and he ends up bearing it. Nice little soft pass here. Aerial pass.
Cuts in front. LeBanc trying to move it top. Williams ahead. Here's Skinner. Late in the game, Skinner shot blocked. He'll get another chance. Skinner, fine. No, he didn't shoot in time. Burns, and now Thornton. Joe Thornton skates it up to center. Gives it to Pavelski. Joe Pavelski looking for Burns, who goes to the net, and he scores! Brent Burns wins it in overtime!
Just Brent Burns just being Brent Burns. Pavelski, a little patience. Now Burns going to activate right there. And now he's beat the defenseman from Carolina. Opens up the 5-hole on Cam Ward and then just slides it in there. And what a play by Joe Pavelski. What a finish by number 88. Here's through the neutral zone. Thornton's got his legs moving. Little soft pass as he kind of creates a little confusion, a little crossing up top. And then there's the patience by Pavelski and just a subtle pass.
What a night as the Sharks post their first ever win in franchise history when they trailed by 3 or more goals after a period. What a comeback, what a win, what a night of hockey here in San Jose.